Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing something different. I've seen a lot of people make this on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, making banana bread, and I love bananas and I love bread and I love banana bread, so I decided to make my own since we still in the house sometimes or whatever. So I'm gonna leave everything down below this recipe and I'm gonna show you everything that we need. So we need to make just one loaf, we need 2 to 3 ripe bananas. We need 1 beaten egg. We need 1/3 cup of butter. We need 3/4 cup of sugar, but if you want it sweeter, you could put more. We need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And we need 1.5 cups of flour. Mix it all together and then put it in the oven. So let's get to it and see if we can make some good ass banana bread. If you have a hand mixer, that's good. If not, you can get a whisk. And I'm gonna heat up the oven to 350 while we prepare everything. We're gonna wait for that to cool and do the taste test. It looks good though. So I took the banana bread out the oven and this is what it looks like. It looks super good and it smells super good. Like when it was in the oven, boy. And we're gonna do a taste test. So let me break out the piece and let's try it. It's so good, guys. So good. Woo! It's thick. like sheet thick. Like I could have used less flour, but it tastes moist, it tastes rich. I like the taste of the bananas and the sugar. If you like things really sweet, then you want to add more sugar, but I think 3/4 cup of sugar is pretty good. Yeah, I highly suggest you make this. It's so much better than store brand. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I'm about to cut me another slice, give me some oat milk, and have me a little dessert before I go to bed. So make sure if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. If you're already subscribed, make sure you thumbs up this video, make sure you share, and let me know down in the comments what other videos you want to see from your girl next, and I'll catch you in the next one.